Why Not Here started as an idea that came about during the pandemic when we just came back from New York, and we were really longing for a space to practice our art. And since we could no longer be in studios, we started envisioning different spaces where our art can exist.
Why Not Here is a state of mind with a place in mind. We had an exploration at ILHAM Gallery because we wanted to challenge and explore where our art can exist. So in this case, like dance and live performance. So we wanted to find new ways to explore our craft while also communicating and collaborating with other art forms like visual art. I think our goal was to create a safe space and a community of other like-minded artists who also wanted to explore the same thing, who maybe had the same curiosities as us of like wanting to dance in a place like an art gallery, outdoor, by sculpture.
So we did a lot of guided movement improvisation, and we also took inspiration from the photos in the gallery, Bayangnya, Timbul Tenggelam, and also taking inspiration from the architecture of the space. My first time walking into the space, I was really struck by the lines in the space. The building is so different than any other building in the city. It kind of stands out in that way, where it has like very distinct jagged lines and symmetries and diagonals and slants. And those are structures that can also be found within the body.
So we thought like, if we can find a way to do this and give permission to try things out that we've never done before, then it would be really cool to meet other artists who also wanted to do the same thing. It's a very vulnerable thing to dance, and so we wanted to get them less self-conscious and just have fun and be free. And thankfully, ILHAM also liked our idea and gave us the support to do this, so we're super thankful for the support that ILHAM Gallery has given us.
So for me personally, I live opposite ILHAM Gallery, so it's been a space that I'm familiar with, and getting to reimagine what we do in the space by doing things you don't traditionally do in a gallery has been very fun for me.
It's been great. It's been really nice to be able to like share the space with people for the past 4 or 5 days, and just being able to like learn new things as well has been exactly what I needed.
I would say it's been a humbling experience because my background in dancing or moving is the most minimal, I would say. And I feel like I've learned a lot over the past 4 days from everybody, from the facilitators and from all these new people that I've met.
It has opened up my eyes to be more bold, to be more expressive.
When I signed up for Why Not Here, I was feeling very stagnant about how I was moving with my body. So coming to Why Not Here has helped me, has unlocked certain joints in my body to like, oh, I can move like this and stuff. So I feel like I have more vocabulary now in my body.
I've met so many new friends. Really inspiring, very different styles, all blending in, learning and supporting each other.
I have met new people that are not judgmental, so it really made me feel welcomed, you know. And not only that, the fact that I'm dancing in the gallery is so bizarre because I've never done it before.
Here today to say my utmost appreciation and thanks to the donors of the workshop of Why Not Here, and they are the Chandana, ILHAM Gallery for providing this amazing space, and also to Alisya and Summer Gun for all of their guidance.